Hello. Good morning. How are you all? Fine? Well doing? Hi. Say loudly good morning. Smile. Tanmay Paithankar. Any serious to do something? Loudly, loudly.
Good morning, Miss.
Sit straight. Okay. Say hi, all of you. Just wave your hands like this so I can see. Ritu, Samir, Krishna. Samir, shake. Sit straight. Ragini, Sridhanu, Rajesh, Sanket, Aditya, and rest of them. Please keep your video on. Okay. So before starting my lesson, we will discuss something. All right. Do you have anything over there near you? For example, a pencil or pen or any object. Last time we have studied the lesson objects and substances. So do you have any object right near you? Pen, pencil, a ball or something like that, a spoon, whatever. Any small object, just show me like this. For example, I am having a stapler. Do you have any object near you? आपके पास कोई भी चीज जो हो पास में वो जस्ट दिखाओ, कुछ भी रहने दो, छोटी सी चीज रहेगी तो भी रहने दो. Anything, just show me. Krishna, you can show me your headphone. You are having headphone, right? So that is the object. So Sahil, do you have something? Shubham, do you have something? Any object, anything you can show me. You can show me.
Charger, remote.
You can show me your toy, charger, pencil, anything.
Charger, remote. Yes. TV.
Okay, all right. Now see, suppose this is the stapler. I am keeping it on my hand and again I am lifting it up. Isn't it? Can you see this? Yes? If yes, if you agree, you will do like this, thumbs up. And if you don't agree, you will do this. Okay? Thumbs down. So this is very simple. You will say what teacher is doing. Subah subah paka rahi hai, right na? But see, logic. Everything has a logic. Now this is the stapler. I'm placing it on my hand and again I'm picking it up. It doesn't go back and forward on its own. Right? ये ऑब्जेक्ट है, इसको मैं उठा रही हूं और इसको रख रही हूं, ये अपने आप नहीं हिलेगा. बट while doing so, I am using my energy. मुझे कुछ एनर्जी यूज करनी पड़ी. So same way, imagine that instead of this stapler, there is a bag full of 10 kgs of potatoes. Are you getting me? Instead of this small stapler, if suppose there is a big bag having 10 kg of potatoes. Now, will I lift it easily like this? Itna easily मैं वो lift up करूंगी? No. Very good, Sridhanu. So, I will require more energy to pull it up, right? So, what it is? It is a force. In scientific term, we are going to call it as force. We require force to do lot of things. Now see, we all got up in the morning and we brush our teeth. So what we do? We just lift our toothbrush, we squeeze the paste on it, and then we apply it on our teeth. Quash, quash, quash. like this. So we are using energy. We are applying force. Got it? Got the meaning of force? All right. So today we will be learning more about force. So are you okay with that? Are you ready for it? So let's go. And happy faces are smiley faces. We are learning very new thing. We are learning very nice things like this. So I want the happy faces. Happy faces makes my day. So I'm sharing the screen. Okay, so are you able to see this screen? Students?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So we are going to study science and our topic is force and types of force. And my name is Hina Vivek Shirsar. Now see, learning outcomes. After learning this lesson, what you are going to learn? You are going to learn the meaning of force, the definition of force, and then you are going to learn types of force. That is muscular, mechanical, gravitational, magnetic, frictional, electrostatic, and combined force. Now, these are the pictures. So, tell me what can you see in this picture? Students, tell me what you observe here. What do you see in this picture? There are three pictures, right? First, second, and third. So what is this picture about? Please give answers. What is there in the first picture, dear students? First picture में क्या है?
फर्स्ट पिक्चर में है नाव
Okay,
फर्स्ट पिक्चर में एक मैन बोट चला रहा है एंड सेकंड पिक्चर में एक लड़का खेल रहा है किसी चीज से एंड लास्ट पिक्चर में एक मैन बैलगाड़ी चला रहा है.
Okay, very good. Now see, in the first picture, a man is moving a boat with the help of an oar. उसे oar कहते हैं. In the second picture, the boy is playing with the wheel with the help of a stick. And in the third picture, there is a bullock cart. Now, again we will go to the first picture. Now, will a boat move ahead unless pushed with the help of an oar? क्या वो बोट आगे जाएगी अगर हम लोग वो ओर से पानी पीछे नहीं चलाएंगे या फिर वो कच्चा नहीं चलाएंगे तो? Will it move forward?
No.
No. Means we have applied a force on the oar. Now see the second picture. In the picture, will that wheel move unless it is pushed by the stick? अगर वो बॉय स्टिक से वो व्हील को नहीं पुश करेगा, so will it move forward? The answer is no. Yes. And the bullock cart. Who exert force to move a bullock cart forward? कौन वो बुलक कार्ट को आगे खींच रहा है, चला रहा है? So the answer is the bull itself. वो जो bulls है, they itself are applying the force to make that bullock cart move. Now see, here in this picture, the boy is playing a football. Now, When we kick the football coming in a direction towards the goal, we apply force. Got it? जब हम लोग फुटबॉल खेलते हैं and when we kick it towards the goal, हमें गोल करना होता है. So what we do, we apply the force. Now, dear students, in day-to-day life, we do many actions such as lifting, pulling, riding a bicycle and stopping it, then squeezing, bending, driving vehicles, pushing a load. So these all needs to apply a force. It is necessary to apply force for doing all these actions. Force is applied to an object to pull it or push it in any manner. अभी हम जो दिन भर सुबह से जो एक्टिविटीज करते हैं, हम सब जगह पे फोर्स यूज करते हैं. फॉर लिफ्टिंग, फॉर पुलिंग, बाइसिकल चलाने के लिए, स्टॉप करने के लिए, पुशिंग अ लोड. सो एवरीथिंग रिक्वायर्स अ फोर्स. नाउ, no object changes its position on its own. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट अपनी जगह चेंज नहीं करता खुद से. फोर्स इज रिक्वायर्ड टू मूव एन ऑब्जेक्ट. टू मूव एनी ऑब्जेक्ट वी नीड टू अप्लाई फोर्स. कोई भी छोटा सा भी ऑब्जेक्ट रहने दो, उससे मूव करने के लिए हमें फोर्स की जरूरत होती है. Force is used to change the direction of an object in motion or to stop it. अगर हमें किसी ऑब्जेक्ट का डायरेक्शन चेंज करना है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्लेइंग द फुटबॉल, when the players kick the football moves in the various direction. So force is required to change the direction and also to set the object in motion, उसको थोड़ा स्पीड देने के लिए, and also to stop it. Isn't it? The goalkeeper stopped the football with his hands by applying the force. So force is needed to change the direction of an object or to stop it. So this is force. Now see here, what happens when you hold the two ends of a spring and pull them apart? ना पहले स्प्रिंग आती थी पेन के अंदर, अभी नहीं होता है या फिर बहुत कम देखने को मिलता है. बट इफ यू टेक दैट स्प्रिंग एंड इफ यू जस्ट पुल इट एंड्स, अगर वो एंड से आप खींचोगे, सो व्हाट विल हैपन? द शेप ऑफ द स्प्रिंग चेंजेस. The original shape is lost and the pulled spring acquires a new shape. जो ओरिजिनल वो स्प्रिंग का शेप है वो चेंज हो जाएगा और एक न्यू शेप आ जाएगा. वेरी वियर्ड. सेम वे हियर द ब्लैकस्मिथ इज हैमरिंग अ रेड हॉट पीस ऑफ आयरन. देखो वो ब्लैकस्मिथ क्या करता है, वो जो हॉट पीस होता है आयरन का, उसे हैमर करता है टू गिव द प्रॉपर शेप. Now, as you know that for changing the shape of an object, we required force. For setting the object in a motion, we required force. For pulling and pushing of object, we required force. So now there are different types of force. Muscular force, mechanical force, gravitational force, magnetic force, frictional force, electrostatic force, and combined force. Now, among these, we are going to study three forces, that is muscular force, mechanical force, and gravitational force. Now, see here, muscular force. Now again I am repeating the name muscular. the name defines itself. Muscular. Muscular means muscles, bones. So, the force applied with the help of muscles or bones is called a muscular force. Now here in the picture you can see the person is lifting the weight by using muscular force. Now students, see in this picture also, here we have done all these activities, or we do this all these activities by using our muscles, by using our bones for lifting, then for pulling, then riding a bicycle. We use our hands, means we hands and leg, that is we are using our bones and muscles. Also to pushing a load. So all are these physical activities. So this required the force and it is known as muscular force. समझ में आ रहा है muscular force क्या होता है? नाम में ही है, muscular means the muscles. So all these activities, lifting, pulling, riding a bicycle and stopping it, pushing a load, we are using our hands, means we are using our body, we are using our muscles, we are using our bone. So this is muscular force. Now daily we require lot of muscular force. Now tell me, in a day-to-day activity where we use muscular force, हम जो पूरे दिन में अपना जो काम करते हैं हम ज्यादातर अपने मसल्स का यूज करते हैं, तो आपको वो एग्जाम्पल्स देने हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं देती हूँ कि स्क्वीजिंग अ टूथपेस्ट ऑन योर टूथब्रश और स्क्वीजिंग अ लेमन टू मेक नींबू पानी. So all I am using my energy, all I am using my muscles. So this is muscular force. So you give me the examples of muscular force now. Tell me.
Can I give?
Yes.
Cooking.
Yes, but in that cooking, what are the various tasks, dear Ritu?
We are using our muscles for cutting.
Yes, very good. I want that word, cutting. We are using our hands to cut. Give me some more examples.
Pushing a door.
Yes, pushing a door, pulling back. These are the examples of muscular force. And
playing a piano.
Yes, playing the piano. And tell me.
To eat a food.
Okay, to eat a food. Very good. And
to write.
Do your mother apply the
running, cycling?
Yes, cycling. There is
and running.
Okay. Yes, running. I have one question for you all. Do your mother use muscular force on you?
Yes, miss.
Yes. So all are habituated to it. And when our mother applies the muscular force on us, our muscles get more built up, isn't it? So these all are muscular force. Okay. So we will move ahead. So I consider that you all have understood the muscular force very well. So we will go ahead now. And please remember all these things because I am going to ask questions on it. All right? Now see, this is mechanical force. Again, the name defines itself. Science is very easy, student, if you use your logic. Okay, now see this mechanical force. Now the force applied by means of a machine is called a mechanical force. All right. Again, I am reading this. Mechanical means machine. The force applied by means of a machine is called a mechanical force. Now here you can see the various machines, the mixer grinder, the sieving machine, and this JCB. So we use different machines for doing many tasks. Muscular force is used for running some machines. Some machines are run by using electricity or fuel. अभी ये जो वेरियस मशीन्स है इसको यूज करने के लिए हमें कभी कभार मस्कुलर फोर्स लगाना पड़ता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नाउ सी दिस JCB. A man is sitting on the driver's seat and he is applying the force, or he is using his energy to pull the machines, to set that machines in a work. Now also our car or vehicle, we use our energy, we use our force to apply the pedals, to apply the gears, to then to we apply brakes. So all this to push our steering wheel. Okay, so all these things require muscular force. Though the car is the machine, same way mixer grinder. Our mother turn up that button to grind the things. All right, so here we use our muscle. Same way this sieving machine. We have to use our foot, isn't it, to control the motor of sieving machine. Also, we have to use our hands to hold the cloth to get it stitched with the machine. All right, but some machines are run by using electricity or fuel. But कुछ मशीन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से चलते हैं डायरेक्टली एंड फ्यूल से. That is washing machine. So these machines are known as automatic machine, isn't it? These machines are known as automatic machine. Now see, all these are the examples of mechanical force: sieving machine, electric pump, washing machine, mixer grinder, and many more. So now you give me the examples of mechanical force. There may be the simple machines and complex machines. So simple machine, the zip is also a simple machine, chain and fan and many more. So you give me the examples of machine, mechanical force.
Miss JBL.
Yes.
And speaker, TV,
okay.
car.
Yes.
And bike.
What?
Bike.
Bike, okay. Okay, very good. Now next one is gravitational force. This is very, very important. Now, you know that if an object is thrown upward by applying a force, it reaches a certain height and then comes down again. So why is this so? For example, when we throw the ball upward, it goes to certain height and then again it comes back to the earth. So why is it so? Is this because of the gravity inside the earth, present on the earth? So earth has the gravitational force. So the force applied by the earth to pull object towards itself is called gravitational force. देखो, कोई भी चीज अगर हम वो ऊपर फेंकते हैं तो वो थोड़ा ऊपर जाकर फिर से नीचे आती है. एवरीथिंग. So this is because of the Earth's gravitational force. Earth में एनर्जी होती है, Earth में एक फोर्स होता है जो सारी चीजें अपनी ओर खींचती है. Isn't it? So ये किसने डिस्कवर किया? So Sir Isaac Newton discovered gravitation in the 17th century. आप आगे जाओगे आगे के स्टैंडर्ड्स में, so you will be studying Newton's law of motion, 3 laws and everything in detail. But the Isaac Newton, see the curiosity of that boy, कितनी curiosity थी उनमें जानने के लिए, तो क्यों कोई चीज अगर हम लोग फेंकते तो वो नीचे आती है. He didn't get the right answer from his parents. उनके पेरेंट्स से उनको आंसर नहीं मिला. So he searched and searched everything. He read out the books and then he got to know that the earth has gravity. So do you understand what is the gravitational force? So when we throw anything up in the high, the earth's gravity acts opposite to it. And when that things reaches up to 0, then it starts falling down with the speed. जितना जोर से वो ऊपर जाता है ना, उतने जोर से कोई भी चीज नीचे आती है. This is because of gravitational force. और gravity हर जगह पे अलग होती है. On Earth it is different, on Moon it is different, on other planet it is different. But this gravity keeps all the things on its place. सारे ये जो trees है, हमारा घर है, सारी चीजें अपनी जगह होती है because of gravity. Also the same gravity is observed in universe. जो sun है, planet है, planets के satellites है, all are at their proper place due to gravity. Understood? इतना समझा सबको? Force, what the definition of force? Yes. Then types of force. There are many types of force, but today we have studied 3 types of force. Muscular force, mechanical force and gravitational force. Got it? Okay. So who discovered gravity? Gravity किसने discovered किया? Sir Isaac Newton. Who discovered gravity? Sir Isaac Newton. Okay. Now you may be knowing
Isaac Newton.
Yes, you may be knowing the meaning of invention and discovery. Invention क्या होता है? जब हम कोई नई चीज बनाते हैं, that is invention, invented. और डिस्कवरी यानी क्या? वो चीज ऑलरेडी होती है लेकिन हम उसे डीप में और जानते हैं या फिर उसे खोज निकालते हैं. दैट इज डिस्कवरी. सो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स पहले ही था, पर इसे ग्रेविटी कहते हैं ये किसी को नहीं पता था. तो इसका सर्च किसने किया? इसको किसने ढूंढा? सर आइजैक न्यूटन. So we say that Sir Isaac Newton has discovered gravity. All right, समझ में आया? Okay. So फटाफट give me the 2 examples of muscular force. Any 2 examples. फटाफट एकदम 2 मिनट का, फिर हो गया लेसन खत्म. 2 examples of muscular force बताओ, बताओ, बताओ.
Beating and cutting.
Okay, very good. Then 2 examples of mechanical force.
Miss grinder and car. Mixer and car.
Okay. And Example of gravitational force.
Ball and apple.
Okay, ball and apple. So all right, understood. Now in the next session we will be studying the other forces, types of forces. Okay, bye bye. It's time to say bye bye.
Thank you. Bye, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, bye. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Bye, miss. Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Nice.